What is up, guys? So today we're gonna switch it up a little bit. For those of you that don't personally know me, I've been wrapping cars for the past 15-ish years. I started at a small sign shop in the town next to me, and then I kind of just been doing it on the side from there. So today I am actually going to start wrapping. This video is going to take probably 3 or 4 days since it's only me, so I'm here doing this. Today we're going to be starting this 550 horsepower SI. This thing is sick. Of course, you know, it's got the K. A couple things to walk you guys through if you've never done a wrap before or wanted to wrap your car and you don't really know much about it. Again, you can always contact me if you're in the local northeast corner of the world. What I like to do is I like to start by taking the mirrors off. I take the handles off. I take everything off that I can, just so that it's faster, easier for me, because laying this whole piece, this is all one piece, so this needs to be one piece of vinyl that goes all the way to here. This would definitely get in your way. It's not impossible, but it does make it a lot harder. So I take all that off. I put it up on jack stands just so that's a little bit off the ground. I don't have to crawl around with the creeper as much. This guy, I'm actually super excited to do this wrap because I wrapped this car probably 7 or 8 years ago. He wants to do a spoon inspired livery on it. So he's gonna be doing the 8th gen spoon livery. So it kind of, he wants to go white to blue, which would be kind of cool. Normally spoon is yellow to blue, I believe, or blue to yellow. I don't remember which way it is. So I'm going to be doing a knifeless tape design on the door, kind of something along those lines there. And then as far as everything else, like this is from an old wrap that was on here. It was all carbon fiber before. This is just a broken tape line, a broken glue line, I should say. So with some quick clean on this, it'll all look really good. I usually leave these in. I leave the bumpers on just because I don't have the body tools to do it, to take everything off, and it's a little bit easier for me. I don't have to move around so much and whatever. So I'm probably gonna just clean it now, and then once I start wrapping, I will put you guys on time lapse, and you know, we'll get it going. All right, so I got knifeless tape on. I'm fairly happy with it. You can't really make knifeless tape super sharp, so I kind of just had to round each corner, and I'll go back after the vinyl's on and the knifeless is off, so that I can kind of trim it up and make it nicer and pointier. But here's kind of what we have. Here's the design-ish that I went with. It's fairly close to the spoon. Obviously I don't have a stencil, so I'm just going off of what I saw online. I guess what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna time-lapse this. Yeah, I'm just gonna get it going. This really shouldn't take me that long, so let's get to it.